walked in and found my freaking wife and her son having sex.
Okay.
I'm up. Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel.
This is David, crying uncontrollably, apologizing over and over for not being able to stop the disturbing act, happened inside the house.
100% serious. She's drunk as all get out. He was too, and he just left.
What's he wearing?
My daughter just lives right there. That's probably where he's at.
Okay, stay over here for the other road. What,
I just got home from work, man.
What, do you know what he's wearing?
No, I wasn't paying attention, man. I just got home from work.
Okay.
But I'm about to have her. I need her off the property right now.
Hold on, what? Side one.
I don't know what's going on.
You know him?
That's the other son.
Okay. Is that the one that we're
No.
talking about? Okay.
Oh, he's crying.
Yeah, I've already talked to
He's
him.
trying to kill himself. David, what's going on?
Oh, fuck.
How long?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. Me and you are together. I'm sorry.
I'm done with all this. I'm done with all this.
I'm done. I'm done.
How long are they?
I can't.
Did you see it?
Yes, I was in there when he was doing
Why didn't you stop him?
I can't. He's too big. This shit is too fucking out of hand.
Where's the other son live at?
Oh, I want to.
Probably right there in that house.
Where are they? They're in Summers?
Dennis, I don't know. Your mom's sitting right here.
Nah.
Yeah.
Hey, quit.
Mom, get the fuck off me, Mom.
Hey, quit.
Get the fuck off me, Mom. I'm not doing anything. She's on me, biting me.
Quit.
She's on me, biting me.
I got one
She's on me,
5
Quit!
Hey, quit.
In the car! Quit! Okay, motherfucker! Stop, y'all! Take your boat!
Stop.
Hey,
I promise I'm not doing
hey,
anything.
put your hands behind your back.
I just don't want her
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You're nasty, Mom. Don't fucking
Hey, quit.
You're nasty.
I love you.
You're nasty.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
You're fucking gross.
Let's go inside.
You're fucking nasty.
I love
You're
you.
fucking nasty. I'll look at you, Daniel. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. I'm sorry.
I love you.
Mom, no you don't. Shut the fuck up. Nasty, Mom. You're nasty. My girlfriend shit. Don't talk to my girlfriend.
I love you.
Don't. You fucked up, Mom. Go step over there by the door.
At around 3:50 p.m. on July 4, 2024 in the 200 block of East College Street in Bono, David ran to a neighbor's house to call 911. Earlier that day, David had been drinking at home with his step-older brother, 27-year-old Austin Casey, and stepmother, 45-year-old Crystal Fallis. After some time, David fell asleep. He was later awakened by unusual noises, groaning sounds, that led him to discover a disturbing scene. His brother Austin was allegedly engaged in an actual act with their mother, Crystal.
Did you see them physically?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
My mom's pants were down and everything. I seen it all.
Okay.
Like, everything.
Okay.
And I got up and I didn't look at him. I just ran. I didn't see my brother or anything. I ran. My sister was right down the road. And,
You're getting me because you're saying you've seen it.
Shortly after, Crystal's husband, Daniel, returned home from work and went to take a shower. Upon exiting, he too discovered the situation and immediately called 911. By the time officers arrived, Austin had already fled the residence.
No, like I was sitting there for a minute and I was looking at him and I got up for a second and he was just sitting there for a minute and I heard my mom still moaning and I acted like I was still asleep and I got up again and that's when I ran.
David is arrested for storming into the house and trying to attack his mother in rage. He is soon released. But initially when cops arrived, David thought his stepmother was being forcefully assaulted by his stepbrother and reacted in shock.
What's going on?
Is anybody at the house yet?
He came up, knocking on the door, said him and his brother freaked out. Him and his mom, or brother and mom, started having sex in front of her.
I think my brother forced it on her. She was drunk.
227 College.
She's right down the road.
Is it straight across?
I can show you.
Okay. I know you're telling him what's going on. Talk about what's going on.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
please.
What's going on over there?
My mom, I think, is being raped.
Whether it was a disturbing actual act, an assault, or just a misunderstanding would soon become clear.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Because I heard, when I was coming in that door, I heard the pop, and he's on top of you, reared back again.
He's scared. He's scared. Just
Did he hit you, or where did he hit you at?
Yeah, but
he's scared. It's just I promise.
hey, Crystal. I know he's scared. I know you're scared. But
He's
look.
super fucking scared.
Okay. Well, look. That doesn't change the fact of
He
what he's
wants
already
to be a
done.
good dad.
Yeah. So what? Look, Crystal. Be honest with me, okay? Can you do that? You can't.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Hey, take another deep breath for me. In your nose, out your mouth. Take you a couple of those. I'm gonna come back and talk to you, okay? You get this idea.
No, I've got his name.
I'm not leaving anywhere, and I'm not leaving you because I'm making freaking claim or anything. Alright, bye.
What if I didn't do anything?
Huh?
What if I didn't do anything?
So we got a call about something occurring. Go ahead.
But what if I didn't do anything? Like stupid, just like
So we got a call that. Go ahead.
what?
Simple. Got a call that supposedly you and your son were having intimate relations. They walked in on it, and that's why we're here. Okay? I'm trying to talk to him. I guess your other son comes in. The way he storms in, that's when I come in to make sure nothing's going on. As I'm coming in that door, I hear a loud pop, and he's on top of you with his arms raised back like he's fixing to hit you again.
Never.
I'm telling you, I've seen it.
Okay.
I'm standing in that doorway, and he's on top of you with his hands raised back and his fist closed. And that's when I grab a hold of him, and he starts fighting me. Okay? I mean, you obviously heard me telling him, put his hands behind his back, put his hands behind his back. And he's still trying to pull away from it to get to you. Okay? That's why he's in handcuffs in the back of my car. So we're trying to figure everything out.
What do I do?
What do you mean, what do
He
you do?
never really hurt me.
Where did he hit you at?
He never will. It's like never.
I understand. I understand he's upset from what was saying or what's being said. But where did he hit you at in there whenever I was at that door? Because I couldn't tell where it was so dark and bright out here. But when I come in the door, he's got his arm reared back again on top of you.
Just never, ever, ever. In a million years, it's just so like, what?
Okay, so you just hang tight here and I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Crystal is arrested at the scene, and Austin is taken into custody shortly afterward, from a nearby location where he was hiding.
Yeah. I'm off the door, please come back. I got another. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. Right now, you're going to be under arrest for incest. Back, we're going to jail for incest. Go, man.
But the explanation his mother is about to give will be nothing short of bizarre.
Can you kind of talk to me about what got us caught out here?
Can you flip my hair back?
That's kind of the best I can do.
What's up?
So, what got us caught out here? Like, what was going on?
Honestly, just a like mutual agreement.
Mutual what?
Agreement?
Agreement?
Yeah.
On what?
Should have never been what it became.
Can you talk a mutual agreement on what?
Argument.
What should have came?
My 19-year-old son has a dedicated on the way. I'm trying to help him.
I get that, but you're talking about a mutual agreement. What are we talking about on that?
Taking care of the baby and not himself. Like, just.
What got us called out here? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I mean, you either know something or something, and you're just not talking.
I honestly just want the best for my grandchild.
You want the best for your grandchild?
Yep.
I get that. Right. What's the incident between that happened here
Like,
today?
please, God, like, wipe my face or something.
All right. We'll try that in a little bit. I just need to know
I'm not going to do anything, I promise.
what occurred here today. That's what I'm trying to find out.
He's upset.
Who?
My son.
About what?
Typical teenage 19-year-old stuff. He's scared to death. He's going to have a baby on the way. That's all.
We didn't get called out here because he's scared about having a baby.
That's all that's matter.
Right, so you're not going to talk to me about what happened today?
What do you want me to talk to you about?
What happened today? Why we got called out here?
He's scared.
We got called out.
Scared.
We didn't get called out here because he's scared about having a baby.
What you get called about? So I'm scared.
Okay.
Really
Put your foot in for me, okay?
I still want to fucking take it.
After the arrest, Austin and his mother, Crystal, were brought in for questioning.
Alright, so, what happened yesterday?
I'm just not used to drinking anymore.
Right.
Crystal remained tight-lipped, but Austin would soon reveal some unsettling truths.
We all do crazy things when we get drinking, okay? Especially when we drink a lot, okay?
I was just laying in there in the bed with my mom. I saw it and didn't like it.
What were you doing with your mother, bro?
Things I shouldn't have been doing. Not like fully, but close enough that it shouldn't have been happening.
Okay, were you having sex with your mother?
Not quite, but yeah.
What do you mean by not quite?
The one next, actually inside.
Okay. And, was this the first time that something like this has happened?
Yeah.
Okay. This possibly start out when you were younger, before you were 16 or anything like that?
Surprisingly, I don't know.
Okay. And she is directly related to you, not a stepmother and things of that nature. Okay. So yeah, just gotten a little drunk yesterday and things have gotten a little too far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Authorities determined that no force had occurred and the encounter was consensual. Both were booked into the Craighead County Detention Center and are being held on a $35,000 cash/surety bond set by Judge Tommy Fowler. A no-contact order has also been issued between the two.